Hey, what's up? And welcome to Hashio. In this video, I want to tell you why we started Hashio, where it came from, and why I genuinely believe it's the solution cannabis operators have been missing. Hashio came from me running cannabis operations, managing teams, running production, dealing with inventory, compliance, and the day-to-day reality of operating in the industry. Before cannabis, I came from traditional manufacturing background. I was used to running real ERP systems, softwares that actually give you actionable data. You know, the true inventory costs, your production costs, your labor efficiency. You can make real decisions. And when I stepped into cannabis, it completely disappeared. That's when I noticed there was no good solution for cannabis operators who need executive level visibility without enterprise level complexity. The tools that existed were either built purely around compliance systems like Metric or BioTrack and gave you zero operational insight, or they were generic systems that weren't built for cannabis cultivation or manufacturing at all. There was a massive disconnect. We couldn't clearly answer basic questions like, what does it actually cost us to make a product? Where are we losing money in production? Which steps in the process are slowing us down? How efficient is our team really? We had no clean way to understand the true inventory costs, production costs, labor efficiency, or how long an actual task takes from start to finish. And without that data, you can't make real executive level decisions like when to invest in new equipment, where to optimize labor, or which products you're actually profitable. After running manufacturing teams and living through these problems myself, I kept thinking there has to be a better way to run a cannabis operations. So we built it. And that's where Hashio comes from. Hashio is a system designed for real operational visibility in cannabis cultivation and manufacturing. It's not a point of sale. It's not a generic ERP. And it's definitely not meant to be everything to everyone. What it is a system engineered specifically to help cannabis operators run more efficient, more controlled operations with clarity. Hashio gives you real insight into their inventory costs, production costs, labor efficiency, and compliance, all in one place. It shows you exactly what it costs to make a product broken down by individual steps. It shows you where time is actually being spent in cultivation and production, and it shows you how your team is performing without adding admin. Hashio automates the operational noise that slows teams down. Manual metric and BioTrack workflows are automated. Fulfillment and manifest errors are tracked and eliminated. Task assignment, accountability, and production workflows all live in one system. The results is fewer errors, faster and more consistent production cycles, and real executive level of visibility without spreadsheets, guesswork, or constant fire drills. Hashio is designed to maximize productivity while minimizing the amount of admin work your team has to do. Most importantly, it gives cannabis operators access to the kind of operational data and insights that used to only exist in traditional manufacturing. If you want to see what Hashio could look like for your operation, go ahead and book a demo. We'll walk through how it works, understand your workflows, and help you decide if Hashio is the right solution for you.